Hey everybody, Joe here from Avalon Accounting, and in this video, I'm talking about hiring a bookkeeper for your business. Hiring the right bookkeeper is one of the smartest moves you can make to level up your business, but how do you know where to start? Today, we're diving into exactly what to look for in a bookkeeper, the benefits they bring, and how to find one that's perfect for your business. By the end of this video, you'll know what questions to ask and some warning signs that could lead to some big headaches later. So let's dive in. Let's start with the basics and look at exactly what a bookkeeper actually does. A bookkeeper keeps your financial house in order. They record transactions, organize receipts, reconcile accounts, and prepare reports that give you a clear picture of your business finances. But it's more than just data entry, and there's a good reason that AI has not taken over bookkeeping yet. A good bookkeeper ensures your financial records are accurate, which is crucial for making informed decisions. They also help you stay compliant with tax laws and avoid costly errors like missed payments or incorrect reporting. This isn't just number crunching, it's the foundation for making smart decisions and staying on top of taxes. You'll find that a lot of people use the terms bookkeeper and accountant interchangeably, but the truth is they play different roles in managing your business finances. So let's break it down. As I mentioned, bookkeepers handle the day-to-day details of your business finances. They record transactions, reconcile accounts, organize receipts, and maintain accurate financial records. Their job is to ensure that your books are always up to date and error-free. Accountants, on the other hand, tend to focus on the bigger picture. They analyze the data provided by your bookkeeper to prepare financial statements, advise on tax strategies, and guide your long-term financial planning. While bookkeepers and accountants are both detail-oriented, accountants tend to be more strategy-focused and are able to advise on more complicated tax issues. So why should you hire a bookkeeper? Here are 3 big reasons. Running a business is already a full-time job. Imagine trading hours of bookkeeping software and spreadsheets for time spent growing your business, or just taking that time to recharge and live life outside of work. When you delegate bookkeeping tasks, you free up your mental bandwidth to focus on the big picture, like landing new clients or developing products. It also means no more late nights spent reconciling accounts or worrying about keeping up with tax deadlines. As your business grows, so do your financial needs. A great bookkeeper scales with you, offering more services like payroll or detailed financial reporting as you expand. This flexibility is key. When you're starting out, you might only need help with monthly reconciliations. But as you grow, your bookkeeper can handle things like tracking inventory, managing employee expenses, or filing sales tax, allowing your financial processes to grow seamlessly alongside your business. Thanks to cloud-based tools like Xero and QuickBooks Online, you can check your cash flow, overdue invoices, or profit margins anytime, anywhere. You'll have your financial dashboard at your fingertips. And this kind of visibility gives you confidence. Instead of wondering if you can afford to invest in new equipment or hire another employee, you'll have numbers to make those decisions with certainty. When we started Avalon, one of the key strategies was to combine bookkeeping and accounting under the same service provider, and for good reason. So what is the benefit of having both services in one place? Using a firm that offers both bookkeeping and accounting can save you significant time and ensure more efficient collaboration. Instead of juggling communication between separate providers, you have one team working together to manage your finances. For instance, your bookkeeper and accountant can collaborate to streamline tax preparation, quickly address potential issues, and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. With everything handled in-house, the process is far more efficient. This integrated approach makes your life easier and ensures that your financial strategy and daily operations work hand in hand. It's a one-stop shop for managing your books, planning for the future, and achieving your business goals. When hiring a bookkeeper, one of the decisions you'll face is whether to go with a local bookkeeper or a virtual one. Both options have their advantages, and the right choice depends on your business's needs and your preferred way of working. A local bookkeeper is a great choice if you prefer face-to-face communication or need someone with in-depth knowledge of local regulations or complexities. They're great for businesses that prefer dropping off documents in person or want a bookkeeper who can visit their office regularly. Having someone nearby can also be useful for industries with specific compliance needs like restaurants or retail, where local knowledge and accessibility are key. A virtual bookkeeper, on the other hand, offers flexibility and access to a broader talent pool. With cloud-based tools like Xero and QuickBooks Online, you can collaborate just as effectively as you would in person, no matter where they're located. One major advantage is that you're not limited to local options. This allows you to find a bookkeeper with the exact skills, industry knowledge, and experience that align with your business needs. Virtual bookkeepers can also easily adapt to your schedule and workflow, making it easier to stay on top of your finances from anywhere. The choice between local and virtual really comes down to your comfort level and the nature of your business. If you're already using cloud-based tools and prefer digital collaboration, a virtual bookkeeper could be the perfect fit. On the other hand, if you want someone who can pop by the office or provide hands-on assistance, a local bookkeeper might be a more suitable option. Now let's talk about what to look for when hiring a bookkeeper. First off, you'll want to know that they have the experience or specialization that can help your specific business. Do they have experience in your industry? A bookkeeper for a tech startup might handle things quite differently than one for a restaurant. For example, restaurants deal with inventory, tip reporting, and cash transactions, while tech startups might focus more on managing investor funds or categorizing R&D related expenses to claim tax credits. Finding a bookkeeper who understands the unique challenges of your industry can save you a lot of headaches down the road. You'll also want someone who is tech savvy. Can your bookkeeper navigate tools like Xero or QuickBooks? And bonus points if they're familiar with receipt management tools like Dext or HubDoc. The right tools can make a big difference. They help automate repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and give you real-time insights into your finances. A tech-savvy bookkeeper can set up those tools and show you how to use them effectively. A great bookkeeper doesn't just crunch numbers, they'll help you understand them in a way that's actually useful. This means they'll explain financial reports in plain language and highlight trends you should be aware of. They should also be proactive about communicating potential issues like cash flow shortages so you can address them early. You'll also want someone who can grow with you, whether you need basic bookkeeping or help with things like payroll or tax prep. A good bookkeeper can handle your current needs and also anticipate what's coming next. For instance, they might suggest implementing new software before your transaction volume grows too large to manage effectively. Now, before you hire a bookkeeper, make sure to ask these key questions. First up, what software to use, and are you comfortable with my current tools? You want someone who can hit the ground running with the tools you already use or introduce better ones if needed. Next, it's a good idea to ask, what is your experience in my industry? Industry-specific expertise can make a big difference in keeping things running smoothly. The third question I would ask is, can you help with tax prep or coordinate with my accountant? A bookkeeper who can liaise with your accountant saves you time and ensures a smoother tax season. And last but definitely not least, ask, how do you handle communication and updates? Consistent and timely communication ensures you're always on the same page, and it helps to avoid surprises. These questions can help you gauge their expertise and ensure they're a good fit for your business. Of course, there are some red flags to watch for. I can't stress this enough. Proper communication is key. If your bookkeeper is slow to respond now, imagine the stress during tax season. Clear and timely communication is a non-negotiable. Now, when looking for service providers, I've grown a lot more aware of any big promises made during the sales process. You'll want to take those with a grain of salt. For example, be wary of anyone who guarantees things like audit proofing for your business. While it's nice to have peace of mind that your bookkeeper has your back, it's just not realistic to completely avoid questions from the CRA. And if they're not using modern tools, you'll probably end up paying for inefficiency. A reluctance to adopt new technology could also indicate that they're not keeping up with best practices. So how do you find the right bookkeeper? The best way to start out is to reach out to other business owners or your accountant for recommendations. Word-of-mouth referrals often lead to trusted professionals. You can also start with a small project like reconciling a few months of catch-up bookkeeping to see how they work. This trial run can reveal how well they communicate, how accurate their work is, and whether their style suits your business. And certainly it's important to consider their bookkeeping proficiency and level of experience. Unfortunately, anyone can take an online course and call themselves a bookkeeper, but competence varies significantly from one provider to another. At Avalon Accounting, we match businesses with experienced bookkeepers who know your industry and use the latest tools. If you're looking for seamless support, we're here to help. Here are a couple final tips for working with your bookkeeper. Establish a routine. Decide on a consistent schedule for your updates or reports, whether it's weekly, monthly, or quarterly. This structure ensures you're always aligned and on top of your finances. Provide complete and timely information. Your bookkeeper can only do their best work when they have all the necessary details. Make it a habit to send receipts, invoices, and other documents on time. And finally, ask questions. Don't hesitate to seek clarification on financial reports or terms you don't understand. A great bookkeeper will explain things in a way that's easy to follow, helping you make better business decisions. When you have a great bookkeeper on board, your business runs smoother and you gain peace of mind. To recap, hiring the right bookkeeper saves you time, keeps you organized, and helps your business grow. Look for someone with experience, clear communication, and the ability to scale with your business. And if you're ready to take the next step, check out Avalon Accounting. We'd love to help you find the perfect bookkeeper for your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tips from Avalon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.